Listen up, if you're installing solar in South Africa, you need to hear this. AP Systems microinverters are changing the game, trusted by professionals worldwide. Residential, commercial, GC Solar just brought them here. Here's why this matters for you. You want faster installs? Done. Compact design, easy mounting, low DC voltage. Your team finishes quicker, moves to the next job. You want safety? Built-in rapid shutdown, no extra gear, automatic compliance. And low DC voltage means zero arc fire risk. Your installers go home safe every day. You want more profit? One microinverter handles multiple modules, lower shipping costs, lower balance of system costs. You earn more per system than with anything else on the market. But here's the real opportunity. GC Solar is running hands-on technical training in Cape Town and Midrand. Cape Town, May 6th and 7th. Don't miss out. You learn the products, you learn the install, you walk away certified. May 13th and 14th in Midrand. Don't delay. Ensure your seat. Register now.